What's going? This is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. I must tell you say one bag of excitement this week. I honestly tell you, I think I need to have a social media break from last week. But things are just the whole thing with Spice and Nara, everything doesn't take a toll about me. And it continues into this week. I just need a break from social media because to be honest, I really do like when we talk about, my whole thing about the social media is to take bad things and make light of it and, find the humor in things. But I realized lately, people just want cuss, people just want vent, people just want to get off all kind of anger. And so it is making my job here on the countdown a little bit tricky. I just gotta do my thing either way. Okay, so let's get into the countdown. Then, Vlog Olympics. Me finish line. So the other day, World Dawg and Trabass went into a head-to-head 100-meter dash competition. I do not know what started it, but it are happening, people. And before you know, the two of them, they throw word on each other as to who them think they're gonna win the match.
Ready, no Jocko. Ready. When there? I'm searching for him. Where he at? Me have to prove a point to one little boy on Instagram. Me fast says Instagram personnel who can think about. Watch out.
I don't want to mess well since Facebook era always are the one that are running. Most people that think say, a Facebook era, people who say, boy, Trabass get the belly from what they so they don't know how this level, kind of work out. But in the end, they are met up. And this is what happened. Look.
They're away first time. Blake has a little bit of a stumble at the beginning. Rogers has got a good start. Simbine going well. Blake's under massive pressure. Simbine becomes the Commonwealth champion.
So readers, let me know, who do you think won the race? Was it World Dawg or Trabass? Number 9, Chicken Run. Me mix spots. So so last week we talk about how one shot they brought down, catch a fire and all of these things. And the people them, running and thief out the chicken them. But this time, the truck that I broke it down was somewhere close to Flatbridge. I hope I'm right, correct me if I'm wrong. Close to Flatbridge, did actually have live chicken. Once again, readers, comment down below, would you run in and take away a live chicken? Number 8, Curvy return. Me Coca-Cola buckle. Say so recently it's not Spice alone to take a little social media break. Curvy Diva, they are lay low.
My neighbor means semi-compatible.
So upon Curvy Diva's return, this is what she actually wrote. She said, "Dear Insta story, sorry I neglected you, but I had to block out the naysayers and focus on my blessings ahead. So fret not, I am not pregnant, nor am I engaged, married. Great things to come. Thanks for the continued support. Work in silence, #grateful." And we just know how Jamaican people stay. We know how all of people probably did that thing. Say, I'm pregnant, the artist pregnant, but she clear up all of that and said she was just, a focus on herself. And is now once again burning up Instagram with our usual antics. Pre. Round of applause for some twerking video from Curvy Diva, no? And now check out the random video of the week. Number 7, Alaine the comic. Me Ordinary Love. So reggae singer, reggae songstress, the beautiful Alaine. She turned 40 the other day and I guess she just decided so she needs to try something new. Now we know so originally she started in a banking and a corporate America and all these things. She came to Jamaica, she started to do reggae music and then it looked like say, she has switched up the thing and do something new and she is gone into the vlogging scene, the social media comedian type of scene. And boy oh boy people, she's going on with a bag of things. So she started off with this character that is called Hilda. Now Hilda looked like say she is just a big woman, they were just grumpy and miserable and all of these things into one. Hilda, boy, oh boy, pre.
Yeah, but just don't watch Dalton on the TV. Actually, I'm not even on the TV, me watch him. I live scream it on my phone. Yeah, from the link where I'm posting on Instagram. On the Instagram, I think I saw his name.
And then of late, she's been using this app to sort of, create jingles for different animated characters and boy people. I think we just like the one there. Yeah, step in the ants nest.
Wait them, step in the ants nest. Step in the ants nest. I want a piece of stretch, step in the ants nest. Stand up on the grass, see something for you. Look down, and just a crawl on your shoe.
And even for Thanksgiving, she created one. Jesus Christ, she said, no, you need to leave the Thanksgiving alone. Leave the turkey alone, people.
Come on, do the turkey wobble. We are gonna put it on your table. Happy Thanksgiving Day to everyone. We know tonight you don't have big dinner plans, but on behalf of the Turkey Nation, please do. Some vegetarian.
Well, let me let me know, Berritos, what do you think about Alaine's move to, incorporate these videos on our social media? Comment below. Number 6, Gab's Tales. Me extension. So celebrity actress Gabrielle Union, I know she's married to Dwayne Wade. And over the Thanksgiving weekend, I guess she was trying to cook up a nice little meal theme. And she put up on her social media, this thing that was supposed to be oxtails. And as expected, Jamaican people always want to fuss about something. So, them flood our timeline and I done her and I shade her about her oxtail. But let me just read some of the comments that, people had to say. Well, Gon_now said, well, it's a possibility it might be oxtail, just not the Jamaican one. King_K said, look like the brownie did Ghana Black Friday sale because it is missing. Then Goddess Couture said, this worse than Nikki Curry chicken. Boy, oh boy, that is what these people had to say. What do you have to say about it, Berritos? You think so? Can't give her a blind because she never said it was Jamaican oxtail? Comment down below. Number 5, Case of the Ex.
Now what is it that she wants?
Me what not? So as you know, Lincoln Tree that and him, girlfriend Star, they broke up recently. And initially it seemed like everything was going well. Star put out a message saying that, the couple split and it was amicable and them cool and they're still friends. But it looked like, say, at this point in time, things are not so, peaceful. So Star put out this video, basically looked like she did show some sort of word. I don't know if it was on Lincoln, but she just did a talk to say, where, a guy going to find a girl like her.
Where you gonna find a girl that's cute with a nice body who's also smart and ambitious? Where you gonna find a girl that can cook, got good and love? Where you gonna find a girl that's loyal but will still let you slide in some other time to time? You can't find me! I ain't Nemo.
And underneath that post, Lincoln decided to comment, this biatch drained all my energy, everything happening in our relationship and you bring on here. I've been calling and trying to talk to you about it, but you don't listen. I guess that escalated quickly. Me never really think, say, I was one of them people who they actually like them relationship. Me think them they cool. Me think them they fit each other. So it kind of sad for to say this is what is happening on social media. But let me know, Berritos, do you even care? Do you root for them to still get back together? What do you make of all of this? Comment below.
I'm represent for TheDuttyBerry now. I have to tag it okay, you know the thing go.
Number 4, crooked tweet. Me sent a table. So as you know, media personalities and all of these things, Emily Crooks Shields recently came under fire for a tweet that she made on Twitter recently. Not a soul could catch me going out for restaurant week. Ellipsis. Crammed restaurants, slow service, revised menus down to suit price, overdressed unusuals, always taking pictures for the world. Don't know what the fuss is about. I can't manage, brah.
I thought we'd have the nicer china. Oh, thank you, Hyacinth.
That was a lot. Me didn't see the tweet. Me never really see anything wrong with it initially. But then me read it again and then I came to the point in the tweet where she said the overdressed unusuals. You see the part they kind of Emily, you have to understand your position. You see, you would have to kind of be a little regular in the street sort of person if you can get away with a tweet like that. But people kind of perceive you as uptown, so when you make a tweet, it look like you're spitting at the faces of the people who can't really afford it and would just love to kind of come out of their house one time for the year if you kind of feel like them can go to some of them establishment here.
I've got a reputation to maintain, you see, dear. I mean, I'm known far and wide for the tasteful accessories of my table.
You have to just kind of understand, your role sometimes. It's kind of tricky, because me actually hear people talk about going to Sands. Oh, you not catch me, I got Sands, and me not forgot mix up with them. One bag of scammer people, them bleach out. And then you have a set of people, them who, when them talk about going to Grand Gala, me hear them talk about them camera mix up with molly people and all kind of things and one bag of excitement. So your views aren't anything that, anything special in terms of what people would say about events in Jamaica. But your position and the fact that you're married to this white man, Mark Shields, and the optics of it all, you saying something like that. I am okay with everything. If you don't like restaurant week, you don't like restaurant week. And your prerogative that, but the little part with the overdressed unusuals, here's the part where rub people wrong.
This man pushed in.
Just wait.
Wait! Why should I wait?
What do you have to say about it, Berritos? Comment down below. Number 3, Drake dance.
You need to get done.
Me bread back. So say Drake always a try to, make everybody know say he is like, what you call it, an honorary Jamaican. And so it is not shocking that, this video that surfaced recently with him coming off stage and, mingling with some dancers, and he decided to show some of the movements that are a part of his Jamaican dance catalog. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Get it, ladies! Get it, ladies! Hey! Hey!
think about the burritos? How much should I give Drake out of 10 for him Jamaican dance moves? Comments below. And now check out the second random video of the week. Number 2, Angel Friend, me figure.
I am so blessed. I am so stress-free.
Alright, so you know, so Angel has recently been putting up a bunch of videos with herself, just kind of walking, you know, feeling festive and, you know, vibrant and all of these things. But in these videos, the person that we don't really get to see her face, behind the scenes, apparently, the Angel's personal hype man. Well, hype girl. Now, this girl, me think she need an award because she boots up Angel every single time. She tell Angel all of the things them where you would have really want your best friend to tell you. When you feel low, that friend that going to look at you and tell you, say, yo, you are the best. When you get up and you ugly like piece of Shrek, them going to tell you, say, yo, you are Miss Jamaica.
This, that's show me how the atop do now. Atop. Go in at the middle and show them your atop. Come on, take time. Come again. Atop, yeah. Atop, show them. Go in night, D. Go in night. Atop, D. Go in night, D.
And check out the one here.
Why she behave so? Why you behave so, Angel? You're gonna mad the man in my road, watch. Every man are gonna walk and drop down.
My friend, come on, Bear, do something.
Yeah, Barry, and you look so good. Jesus, peep. Look how you can pose. Bombat. You all have 2 ears and 2 eyes.
So let me know, do you have a friend like the Angel's friend that will root for you in every single situation? Comments down below. And number 1 goes to... Dalton Factor! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Can you believe it? Dalton Harris has actually moved on to the finals of the X Factor.
Dalton!
And at this point in time, I have just say congratulations, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't kind of expect it because after I think after I saw the what you call it, the Creed, or is it the Creep performance, I didn't know, say, yeah man, this is a finalist right there and then. And so I'm just really proud and really happy for say, you know, this Jamaican brother is in the finals and we just have our fingers crossed and hopefully him win. Just make sure I send a vote on all of these hard things. So on the results show, one of the songs that him did do was called Clone Pre. He's in the finals along with Anthony and Scarlett. And we know say we're not aware of everything that has been going on social media lately. Me I call it the Lapatan picture. You know say somebody show me it, I'ma see it at first. I mean like, oh, you know, them silly type of picture here and moving right along. But then I got a vision. Me gongo peas, me have to put on the JBL, the Jamaican Basic Lens. No, you see, with the Jamaican Basic Lens, you just see everything dark. You see everything dark. You just vex, you just want a reason for cuss. Because life technically kind of hard and sometimes you just need a little platform where you can get certain things off of your mind. People need to vent, yeah, man. And you see, when we put it on, it's like say I was able to see into the future that all of the haters them, all of the people them who not even did a pre the competition or over, or who did even make sense for one to vote, was going to resurrect from wherever they were buried. Ta-da! I mean, in a matter of hours, it was just all over the place, just viral. Vloggers out of nowhere who never really did you know, I give too much strength to the youth in the competition, popped up for cover every single thing like say they are BBC and CNN. Ta-da! I mean, everything legit got intense. If you were to just judge after the comments them, you would have think says one sex tape Lego. Like, and yes, I understand so the picture going to look quite weird. Especially when you decide to put on the Jamaican Basic Lens. It can make you stay real dark, sometimes come across well illiterate, and if you don't watch it more well, it will make you hard sexualize everything. For example, let me explain. You see, if you look at a picture like all this now, and you have a girl who's sitting on a veranda opposed with like four man, you know, the reality of the situation is, you know, is that the 4 youth them are cousin and them just don't hang out after one family function, right? You see, if that girl her go put that picture up on social media with the 4 youth them, this is what people going to see with the Jamaican Basic Lens. Watch it! Watch a kill this girl there. Watch a kill this girl there and her 5 man them. One big sketch that, you know, man. Them are going to batch her after that. And which is why we totally understand, so with the Jamaican Basic Lens, once you have it on, you just never can understand, say, yo, there are actually people who don't have like hang-ups in terms of male bonding. I remember some months ago when they go make the mistake and go do the guy does girls makeup challenge and the girl does guys makeup challenge. One video that is basically a challenge video where most YouTubers go. And so because me I think internationally and all them look at something there, me I say, oh, you know, me I do all of them different type of skits and challenges and stuff there upon, you know, forgive like different content from YouTube.
Feel wet, right? Yeah, it feels like... You want to feel my jaw? No, it feels slimy and like, you know, like okra. It's almost like a piece of okra just out. No, I never have that yet.
Boxfoot, me make the mistake once again to not hard put on the basic Jamaican lens. You see when I put up that video with the makeup challenge, box cover right there and then you hear said Dutty Berry a transition to be the next Caitlyn Jenner.
You serious?
Boy, yo boy, me just, you know, after that me just like, yo, me give up, me just give up, me not do no more video, me tired. But then with the usual type of irony where exists in Jamaica, is that the same people that will always run around with the Jamaican basic lens on, you know man. And the same people them that will opt not to sexualize one football match when one of the players them score one goal and then decide to them go jump up and create excitement and roll out in the field with somebody ball sack on them neck back and all of these are things. Everybody just got on Stevie Wonder at that moment.
Very superstitious.
Jamaican people just interesting, yeah man. We can look beyond the hammer and just decide say for focus on how much people and individual boss. We can look beyond a lizard and purposefully, intentionally decide say we're gonna just focus on the quality music that an individual produce. We can go full Stevie Wonder style when the neighbor next door I get kung fu by our man day in, day out. And we can also go in a full incognito mode when you see the guns them are coming in our community.
I mean, you ask me, not say nothing. And my business that.
But, God forbid, make one you go wear one pink shirt or go make one piece of a white clear acrylic, go touch him fingernail. All of a sudden the wearers of the basic Jamaican lens combine up and have army and just hit to the streets like...
We're all in this together. Once we know that we're all stars.
Boy, oh boy, this is just it, people. Boy, that's just my whole thing on everything. Every week with the countdown, I'm just finding different ways to just understand people. I really think so much I just gotta do anthropology, you know, because we just find humans and culture, societies. I just find everything interesting to me. People. Let me just close by saying this, because I know I want back a cussing and all them something you might have won. Boy, oh boy. Please stop using the fact that you're Jamaican as an excuse to always be ignorant and to sexualize everything without realizing that you're actually projecting your own insecurities onto situations that you are just honestly personally uncomfortable with, and that is okay.
Turn up for them stairs up.
Well, that is it. Thank you so much for watching another Dutty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed me. Know so many people they just want to come on the page and cuss. And please, see the description, not the description, see the comment section down below. Feel free for just vent and get every single thing off your chest. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button. What else may I leave out? Oh, if you're new to the channel, make sure to you go and Boxfoot subscribe because we want more subscribers. Okay? Make sure to say subscribe. If you want to follow me on social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all over. If you want to email me, book me to promote something in the social media countdown, just send me an email to DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Alright, take care until next time.